Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I'm busting out a new skill with TubeBuddy. So my friends, let's get cracking. Alright friends, so if you've never seen TubeBuddy, it is an extension you can add to Chrome, and then when you create a video, it's got so many awesome things, even in the free version, that you can use to make your videos all look similar, which helps your brand, and you can complete awesome steps in an instant. It's got things like a tag explorer, so you can find the tags that are going to get you the most views. It's got search engine optimization, so you can check your video, so you can almost instantly add meta information to your video that's going to get it the most possible views. It's got the awesome thumbnail generator that I'm using to make all of my thumbnails, and when you click on any one of your videos, it has got all the highlights of the views, the comments, and all the cool things, like you can click rank tags, and we can actually check my tags to see how many of the tags are actually going to be useful to get the views I want my video to have. You can also instantly peek at the best practices to see if maybe there's a step that would have helped your video that you forgot. If you've never added TubeBuddy before, if you look under any of my videos, you will find a link where you can add TubeBuddy to your own account in just an instant, and when you use the one with the HLMod tag, I get credit for it, which is always cool, and I appreciate it very much. Alright, so these are features I have mentioned before, but today I want to show you another feature that I find really useful that I've never highlighted before. From my main page, I'm going to hit Customize Channel, and at the bottom of that list is the Settings tab. Now what's nice about this is you can find the upload defaults, and when you get to upload defaults, a standard YouTuber only has one, but because of the TubeBuddy menu, you can have many. So check this out. I have got a sweet new laser, the HLModTech laser cutter, and I've copied in the main information I've used again and again. I've got my tags copied in here. I've got the start of a title, and then I also set it to science and technology. And when I hit save, so once I've got this profile in place, the next time I upload a video that is about the laser, I can just add this profile and it's there in an instant. When you are done modifying these, it is kind of weird. You do have to hit cancel, but if you look down the list, you will see what you created and it'll be ready the next time you need it. Alrighty friends, so just remember, you can always look down in the description for the link. You can get that added so that you can start saving time as you make your YouTube videos as well. Alrighty friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.